Introduction. Exploration of string manipulation in JavaScript. Overview of the JavaScript split method. Understanding the JavaScript split method. The split function splits a string into an array of substrings. The method does not change the original string. The string is separated at a specified separator. Example of using space as the separator. Different ways to use split. Splitting with a specified separator. Splitting with a limit to control the number of splits. Splitting into characters by not specifying any separator. Examples of each use case. Common pitfalls and how to avoid them. Return type of split method is an array, not a string. Original string remains unchanged after the split method. Split method may not be supported in all browsers. Incorrect separator will return the whole string as a single item array. Conclusion: the JavaScript split method is essential for handling strings, offers flexibility with optional parameters, understanding use cases and potential pitfalls enhances its utility.